Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan.
Hello everyone, we are from Pulp&Paper Technology Study Program, Universitas Riau.
This video is created as part of our final examination project for the course of Papermaking Technology 2.
Under the guidance of our respected lecturer, Mrs. Esty Octiana Sari, Ph.D.
So today we will discuss about the calendering maintenance in the pulp and paper industry. This process play a key in determining the smoothness, gloss, and the type and the thickness of paper.
We'll also cover its main components, working principle, and modern technologies applied in today's industry.
Let's dive in and explore together. We hope this video brings valuable insight and knowledge to all of us.
Hello everyone, we are students of Universitas Riau, a public university established in 1962, and it has been a source of pride for the people of Riau ever since.
Universitas Riau has 9 faculties that cover a wide range of disciplines, from science and engineering to economics, social science, and humanities.
One of those is faculty engineering, which at the subcenter development of applied science and technology.
Under the Faculty of Engineering, there is Diploma Degree Program in Pulp and Paper Technology, which was officially established in 2018. Wow!
So, this program is focused on learning the process of converting paper's raw materials into pulp and paper, combining chemical and industrial engineering.
Students study various aspects from raw material preparation, cooking, bleaching, and sheet profession for testing the physical properties of paper products.
Through theoretical, hands-on laboratory activity. This program prepares graduates who understand pulp and paper industry comprehensively and sustainably. And let's check it out!
Paper is a material made from cellulose fibers, usually derived from wood or recycled paper. To transform these fibers into solid sheet, the industries use a special system called a paper machine. The paper machine is the central technology that converts wet pulp into the dry, smooth paper we use every day. The relationship between paper and the paper machine is direct and essential. The first one, the paper machine forms the sheet. It spreads dilute pulp into a moving wire where water drains and fiber starts bonding. And second is, it removes water efficiently. Pressing and drying section reduce moisture until the sheet becomes strong and stable. And next is, it shapes and finishes the products. The machine smooths calendars and winds the paper into large rolls, ready for further processing. So, without the paper machine, the pulp remains just a slurry. It cannot become your uniform dry sheet of paper, and the machine is what makes the paper usable.
In the paper industry, the appearance and surface quality mean everything. This is where calendering play a vital role in the final process that defines the gloss, smoothness, and thickness of the paper before it is ready for use. Calendering is the process where the paper sheet passes between 2 or more high-pressure rolls, called to improve its surface smoothness, gloss, and density. At this stage, the paper becomes flatter, smoother, and looks more professional. The amount of pressure applied in the area is called load or gap pressure. That it determines how much the paper surface will change. Now let's look at the main structure of the calendar machine. At the top, the paper can roll, which guide the paper into the ink area. The two main rolls are the hot rolls, heated to soften the paper fibers, and the soft roll, which is elastic and ensure even pressure across the surface. The ground control soft roll help distribute the load evenly across the full weight of the paper. A scraper device keeps the hard roll clean, while the spotting beam frames and plunger hold and stabilize the entire system during operation. All these components work together create a sheet of paper that is smooth, uniform, and shiny, ready to meet at the high standard of the paper industry.
In the final stage of paper finishing, we made one of the most advanced machines, the Super Calendar. This lowering unit is made up of series of alternating hard and soft roll. As the paper web passes through this roll, it's subjected to intense pressure and controlled heat. The result, a smoother, denser, and glossier sheet of paper, perfect for high-quality printing application. Super calendars are commonly used to produce photo paper, magazine, and glossy brochures, where surface uniformity and brightness are essential among all types calendar. The super calendar delivers the highest level of smoothness and shine, giving the paper the premium mirror-like finish we often see in commercial prints. The metal belt calendar represents the latest innovation in paper finishing technology. Unlike traditional roll system, this machine uses a continuous metal belt that applies uniform heat and pressure across the entire paper surface. This process produces an exceptionally smooth, flat, and consistent finish. Next, we have the soft roll calendar, one of the most widely used systems in modern paper. And this calendar features one hard roll and one soft roll, typically made of rubber. The combination ensures even pressure distribution across the paper. The paper surface without damaging its internal structure. Next, the hard roll calendar is one of the most traditional types of calendar used in paper industry. It operates with two hard rolls that press the paper together, flattening and compacting its surface. This process helps ensure uniform thickness and provide a smooth base for future finishing or working. Do you know, guys, about nib? In calendar system, there are several types of nibs: soft nib, hard nib, multi-nib, and long nib. Each play a vital role in achieving the desired surface quality and smoothness of the paper.
First principle. Soft nib calendar operates under controlled pressure and temperature between a hard steel roll and a soft elastomer roll, improving paper smoothness, gloss, and thickness uniformly without damaging the sheet. Second, design consists of one hard and one soft roll. The soft roll even pressure distribution, while the heated steel with hydraulic control ensure consistent result. Third, application used in the paper mills to enhance smoothness, gloss, and density for fine printing art and coated papers, while maintaining uniform thickness.
Additive calendering is a process used in papermaking to improve the surface quality of paper. The paper weight passes through the hard rolls. One roll is usually steel, and the other is a hard covered roll. When the paper goes through the small gap between these rolls, called the nib, the pressure is very high. Sometimes, heat is also applied to help the surface fiber move and set more easily. Inside the nib, the fiber at the surface of the paper are compressed and flattened. This reduces
the roughness and closer the pores on the surface. Because of this, the paper becomes smoother to the touch and better for high quality printing.
The main process variable 1. Deep freezer. Higher pressures increases smoothness and reduces, but reduce thickness and stiffness. 2. Low temperature. Higher temperature summon the web, increasing the loss but possibly lowering bulk. 3 is a web spec. Faster speed shortens contact time, reducing the calendering effect. 4. Moisture content. Moderate moisture improves plasticity to drying, causes creating to letlets to sticking. And 5. Number and type of nibs or rules. Avoid the degree and uniformity of features. Nib cover in a soft nib calendar control will feature to keep paper thickness uniform across the width. The roll contains individual hydraulic pistons driven by lubricating oil to adjust pressure with high precision. When a thicker area appears, the piston in that zone increase pressure to compact the fibers until the thickness matches the rest of the sheet. The system will automatically, so the caliber provides stay stable throughout the process.
You can see the graph on the slide. Effect of temperature and load on roughness. When the load and temperature increase, the roughness decrease or the paper becomes smoother. Highest temperature or heat softens the fibers and helps them to compress smoothly. And higher load or pressure makes the surface flatter. Effect of bulk on roughness. Increasing temperature makes paper smoother even if the bulk or thickness on volume is the same. Paper with high bulk tends to have higher roughness. High temperature help to compress the paper more, reducing roughness and making the surface smoother. Moisture softens the fiber, so the fibers become easier to compress and flatten. Paper with more moisture become much smoother than dry paper. A heavier load makes the paper more compact, less air inside, smoother surface, which increase the light reflection of gloss. With each nib works like ironing step, more nibs equals smoother, shinier surface until it reach a maximum point where additional nibs no longer improve gloss. And that's all for our discussion about calendaring machine in the pulp and paper industry.
We hope this video can help you understanding how important calendaring is in achieving high quality paper.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more education.
Thank you and see you.
Bye-bye.